Hey everybody, I'm getting more done. It's still a work in progress. I got I don't know where I was in the last video, but got more on the cab done. And I got the, of course I got the brake pedal in, I got the gas pedal in, steering column is set where it needs to be. More of the parts, getting the parts ready for the interior. Got the I reupholstered the seat back, and I got all that going. Now I've got more painting done. I got the fenders, front fenders are painted and ready to go. I got the hood. We actually got some rain last night. I got the hood painted. And now I'm in the process of getting the doors put back together. I got the first driver's door here. It's almost there. I got to put the inner and outer trim on the window, but I got the new glass in. I got all the controls in on the door, and I'm gonna get those done. Also, I'm redoing the whole front end on this Sonoma frame. Of course, I've got the drop. There's the new drop springs and the new drop spindle, and I'm putting in new upper control arms. I got parts coming. Hopefully they should be here in the next couple days. All the steering linkage components. I've got new bearings and new brake stuff. All that, everything's getting replaced on this thing. So it'll be a whole new front end. Let's see what else we got going here. So I'm getting the other little parts made up. I'm going to put out a video on how I'm redoing all these trim pieces. Oh, I got the drop. The rear drop in. It's all ready to go. So as soon as I get this thing put back together, I'm going to take it down to the glass shop and just have them install the glass, because I'm not going to mess with those with the rubber seals that go around these windows on the cab. That's just not happening. I think that's about all we got for now. Of course, I got the new radiator, which will fit in there. Boy, it's tiny, but it's for a small block Chevy. It says it's for a small block Chevy. I don't know. Well, I think that's about it. In the progress, things are just a disaster right now, having everything spread out all over the shop. First, I got the new steering linkage, which will be hooked up. I got to get the motor. Got to get the motor in here with the headers on it, and just make sure everything. And of course, I got to get the transmission. I got to take the transmission down and get it rebuilt. But I have a couple of those TH350s that, so I'll put one on the, temporarily put one on the motor so I can mock it up. Make sure we're gonna have drive line clearance and everything. I think it should be okay. I haven't cut the transmission support out of the original. I can always cut that out later if I need to. I have an aftermarket transmission support to put in there, and we'll go with that. Oh, needed. The only other thing is I'll have to have a drive shaft made up. Either have one made or just buy a one that's ready to where I can put it to be welded up myself to the right proper length and all that. Anyway, well, I guess that's it for now. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Want to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark at some point in my lifetime. And just remember, don't ever run out of projects. Take care, everybody.